I'm Jordan with Marlin Steel, and today I'm showing you one of our heavy-duty, high-quality products, our rectangular mesh basket with handles. The model number is 00-105A-31. The material we use for this basket is 304 stainless steel Electropolished. Check out how beefy this basket is. It weighs 6.24 pounds. And just by picking this up, you can feel the quality and the weight of it. This is no imported basket. I know this is sturdy American quality. And this is 100% fabricated here in the USA. Our steel is made in the United States of America. Check out these welds. They are made by robots using medium frequency welding, 250,000 watts. These welds will not fail you. Our basket is 12 inches in length, 18.12 inches in width, and 9 inches in height. Heads up, the handles are made of a fat diameter, so it lasts a long time, making them very robust and are 12 inches. The basket weighs 6.24 pounds, or for my friends overseas in Canada and Mexico, 2.83 kilograms. The robust quality that is ideal for washing, degreasing, ultrasonic cleaning, curing, and material handling in a variety of applications, such as for chemical baths, heat treating, even cryogenics. The mesh in this basket has 4 openings per linear inch, and then each basket stacks so that parts on the inside don't get crushed. The sidewalls right here create a solid barrier to prevent parts from getting crushed or scratched. If you need a tighter mesh or any changes to optimize the basket in your facility, we can make it for you. We can even make carts that will ferry these baskets around so you have less material handling. Hit me up if you are interested in custom. My email address is sales@marlinwire.com. I will ask a couple of questions to understand your fit, form, and function, and then bring my engineers to help create a detailed print for your custom project. 20% of our team are degreed mechanical or chemical engineers. Thanks for joining me and look forward to providing you great USA quality. I think this rectangular mesh basket with handles is a win for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com.